laid me down, counted me out when I left that town. But I'm back now, stronger than before. Built my kingdom from the forest floor. Lifted truck, chrome exhaust pipe screaming while you were sleeping, boy, I was scheming. Muddy timberlands on my accelerator. Small town blood, but I'm something greater. You can keep your city lights and fancy cars. I got brotherhood beneath these southern stars. Every scar you gave me made me tougher as steel. Now watch me claim what's mine, this power's real. Welcome to my dirt road throne, king of every back road I call home. Stars and stripes flying high above my head. Built this empire while you thought I was dead. Road throne, dirt road throne, every mile of gravel that I own. You tried to bury me, but forgot one thing: country boys don't bow down to no king. Bonfire crackling, brothers gather round. Ice cold Budweiser, that's my royal crown. Steel guitar crying through the midnight air while you're still wondering how I got there. Four-wheel drive through your disbelief. Outlaw hard, but I found my peace. Freedom tastes like exhaust and gasoline. Living proof of the American dream. You can keep your city lights and fancy cars. I got brotherhood beneath these southern stars. Every scar you gave me made me tougher as steel. Now watch me claim what's mine, this power's real. Welcome to my dirt road throne, king of every back road I call home. Stars and stripes flying high above my head. Built this empire while you thought I was dead. Road throne, dirt road throne, every mile of gravel that I own. You tried to bury me, but forgot one thing: country boys don't bow down to no king. Through my veins, blue collar blood fire through my chains. You wanted war, well here's your battleground. I'm the thunder, you're just empty sound. Welcome to my dirt road throne, king of every back road I call home. Stars and stripes flying high above my head. Built this empire while you thought I was dead. Dirt road throne, every mile of gravel that I own. You tried to bury me, forgot one thing: country boys don't bow down to no king. The road throne, yeah, that's my home. The road throne, the road throne. Yeah. Blood and mud, that's all we know. Blood and mud, that's how we roll. Yeah. Just kicking up from my Chevy's tires. Red clay sticking to the steel and wire. Broken knuckles, busted lips, still fire. Never quit, never bend, never tire. Granddaddy's land, daddy's sweat and pain. Every scar tells a story in the rain. Cut my teeth on barbed wire and chain. Country boy blood running through my veins. What? Mud on my boots, dirt under my nails. Thunder in my chest when the engine wails. Blood and mud, blood and mud. That's the way we're built, son. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Fight until the day is done. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Ain't no backing down from nothing. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Fists fly when the bottle breaks. Brother, stand up for whatever it takes. Mama's prayers and daddy's mistakes built this backbone that never shakes. Torn jeans, work shirts, steel-toe boots, cut from the same rebellious roots. Every punch landed, every battle fought, made us who we are, can't be bought. Blood and mud, blood and mud. That's the way we're built, son. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Fight it till the day is done. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Ain't no backing down from nothing. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Oh, blood, mud, blood, mud, the day is done. Blood and mud, ain't no backing down from nothing. Blood and mud, blood and mud. Oh, blood and mud, that's the way we're built, son. Blood and mud, fight until the day is done. Blood and mud, ain't no backing down from nothing. Blood and mud, blood and mud. That's all we know. You left this place, said you had to grow, but I stayed here where the real winds blow. These boots still walk the same old ground while you chase things that can't be found. Come back home where you belong. These roads remember every song. We're still here waiting, brothers don't fade. Through all the changing, our bond won't break. Come back to the dirt, come back to the dirt, come back to the dirt, where your heart works. Man, I see your face on screens now. Big city life wearing suits somehow. But remember when we used to ride these back roads with nothing but pride. Your mama asks about you every Sunday, wondering if success took her son away. You still got that old truck running, still got that fire, still got that cunning. Come back home where you belong. These roads remember every song. We're still here waiting, brothers don't fade. Through all the changing, our bond won't break. Come back to the dirt, come back to the dirt, come back to the dirt, where your heart works. Money can't buy what we built here all those years, crystal clear. We're still here waiting, brothers don't fade. Through all the changing, our bond won't break. Come back to the dirt, come back to the dirt, come back to the dirt, where your heart works. These roads are calling your name. Nothing's changed, we're still the same. Way back when we had nothing but each other. Remember Billy when we started out broke? 2 kids in the sticks with a tie swinging hope. Now you're out in Dallas chasing corporate dreams, while I'm still right here with my lifted machine. These muddy boots still walk the same old ground, where we learn to drive stick, learn that rebel sound. You traded dirt roads for that concrete maze, but I kept our promise through these outlaws. So come on back to where we belong, to the bonfire nights and freedom songs. American flags and ice cold beer, brotherhood that conquered every fear. Come on back to the dirt road, where we learn crack. Your daddy's farm still got that busted gate, where we used to sneak out every Friday late. My truck still rumbles down those gravel lanes, where we swore we'd never let success change our names. I see your face on every tailgate party when the boys get loud and the engines get hearty. Small town raised us with fire in our souls. Now you're lost in suits while I'm still rocking. Come on back to where we belong, to the bonfire nights and freedom songs, American flags and ice cold beer, brotherhood that conquered every fear. Come on back to the dirt road, where we learn to fight and never crack. Billy, can you hear me calling? Through the noise your world keeps stalling. These roots run deeper than you know. Come back home, come back home. So come on back to where we belong, to the bonfire nights and freedom songs, American flags and ice cold beer, brotherhood that conquered every fear. Come on back to the dirt road, where we learn to fight and never crack. Yeah, brother, the dirt road's waiting. Woo! Brotherhood ain't fading.
Yeah. Mud on my boots, fire in my chest. This is how we do it down in the South, bless. Turn it up, born where the blacktop meets the clay. Dust clouds rising every day. Granddaddy's land runs deep in veins. Thunder rolls through summer rains. Tailgate wisdom handed down. Never let nobody run me round. Stealing spine and dirt and soul. This is mine, I'm in control. We the kings of back road throne. Crown of stars, heart of stone. Engines roar like battle cry. Freedom flag flies way up high. Blood and sweat built this scene, living out the rebel dream. We the kings of back road throne. This dirt road kingdom, call it home. Bonfire sparks dance in the night. Brothers gather, hold me tight. Ice cold truth in mason jars. Dashboard lit by country stars. Muddy tracks tell where I've been. Scars that show the fights I win. Blue collar hands and outlaw heart. Been this way right from the start. We the kings of back road throne. Crown of stars, heart of stone. Engines roar like battle cry. Freedom flag flies way up high. Blood and sweat built this scene, living out the rebel dream. We the kings of back road throne. This dirt road kingdom, call it home. Lifted high, we stand our ground. Never back down, never back down. Red dirt running through my veins. Break these chains, break these chains. Born to rise, born to fight. Every night, every night. This is ours, this is real. What you feel, what you feel. Interstate can't hold my spirit. Small town ways, I'm always near it.
Concrete jungle ain't for me. Wild and loud, I'm always free. Legacy runs through these hills. Ancient blood, ancient thrills. Pass it down, the next in line. This here kingdom's yours and mine. We the kings of back road, crown of stars, hearthstone. Hinges roll like battle cry. Freedom flag flies way up high. Blood and sweat built this scene, living out the rebel dream. We the kings of back road throne, this dirt road kingdom, call it home. Mud on my boots, fire in my chest. This dirt road kingdom, we the best. Pull up to the spot where the pavement ends. Mud on my tires, dirt in the wind. Red, white, and blue hanging off my truck. Small town boy, don't give a damn about luck. Brotherhood thick like the dust we kick. Tailgate down, beer bottle trick. Y'all don't know what we represent. Freedom in our blood, never gonna repent. We rise up from the ground where we planted our roots. Never backing down in these muddy boots. I'm a back row rebel, born to raise hell, born to raise hell. Fire in my soul, fire in my soul. Back row rebel, never gonna fold, never gonna fold. Back row rebel, fire in my soul, soul. Bonfire light dancing on my face. This is my home, this is my place. Outlaw spirit running through my veins. Break these chains, forget the pain. Engine loud, music louder. Stand up tall, stand up prouder. You can take the board, but you can't take the fight. Back row born and I'm burning bright. We rise up from the ground where we planted our roots. Never backing down in these muddy boots. I'm a back row rebel, born to raise hell, born to raise hell. Fire in my soul, fire in my soul. Back row rebel, never gonna fold, never gonna fold. Back row rebel, fire in my soul, soul, soul. You think you know me, but you don't know nothing. Heart full of thunder, engines keep rumbling. Small town raised, but my dreams ain't small. Stand with my brothers, we'll never fall. Back row rebel, that's who I am. That's who I am. I'm a back row rebel, born to raise hell, born to raise hell. Fire in my soul, fire in my soul. Back row rebel, never gonna fold, never gonna fold. Back row rebel, fire in my soul, soul, soul. Back row rebel, fire in my soul, soul, soul. Back row rebel till the day I die. Back row rebel, head held high. Used to work 2 jobs, barely making it. Now I'm stacking paper, country boy legit. Dirt road fire, every single day I'm climbing higher. Mud on my boots, but my vision's clear.
built this empire from nothing but tears. Dirt road fire, dirt road fire. Small town hustle, man, I never tire. Dirt road fire burning in my soul. Dirt road fire, I'm in control. From the backwoods to the top of the game. Dirt road fire running through my veins. Dirt road fire burning in my soul. Dirt road fire, I'm in control. Started from the bottom, now I own this lane. Dirt road fire running through my veins. Remember back when they said I'd never make it. Laughed at my dreams, said I was mistaken. Dirt road fire, dirt road fire. Now they see me rising like a choir. Build my crew from loyalty and trust. Every single move calculated just. Dirt road fire, dirt road fire. Turn the whole county into an empire. Dirt road fire burning in my soul. Dirt road fire, I'm in control. From the backwoods to the top of the game. Dirt road fire running through my veins. Dirt road fire burning in my soul. Dirt road fire, I'm in control. Started from the bottom, now I own this lane. Dirt road fire running through my veins. They thought I was just another country boy. Now I'm the king of everything I deplore. Dirt road fire can't extinguish this flame. Dirt road fire, remember my name. From tobacco fields to pharmaceutical trade, every business deal carefully made. Dirt road fire, dirt road fire. Sheriff on payroll, preachers alive. Control the supply, control the demand. Built this kingdom with my own two hands. Dirt road fire, dirt road fire. This backwoods throne will never expire. Dirt road fire burning in my soul. Dirt road fire, I'm in control. From the backwoods to the top of the game. Dirt road fire running through my veins. Dirt road fire burning in my soul. Dirt road fire, I'm in control. Started from the bottom, now I own this lane. Dirt road fire running through my veins. Dirt road fire. Dirt road fire.
Yeah, you remember, don't you? Back when we were kings of nothing. We had everything. You traded in your boots for shiny leather shoes. Left the dirt behind for them city avenues. Remember Friday nights when we'd tear up Johnson Creek? Now you got suits and ties, man, you look so weak. Your mama calls me asking where her boy is gone. Says you don't come around since you moved on. But I still got that photo from senior year, when you swore you'd never leave what we built here. So come on back to where your heart knows where the fire burns and the real wind blows. You can take it, boy, but you can't take the soul. Come on back, back to where you're whole. Don't let them change you used to be, used to be. Your truck's been sitting in your daddy's yard, rust eating through what we used to drive so hard. Tommy asks about you every Saturday night, says it ain't the same without you in the fight. I know that money talks and whispers pretty lies, but you can't buy back what you see in these old eyes. The brotherhood we had ain't something you can fake. Don't let them steal your soul for some corporate sake. So come on back to where your heart knows where the fire burns and the real well wind blows. You can take the boy, but you can't take the soul. Come on back to where you're whole. Don't let them change you used to be, used to be. Tower tonight, same old place where we used to fight. Brother, this is where you still belong. So come on back to where your heart knows where the fire burns and the real wind blows. You can take the boy, but you can't take the soul. Come on back to where you're whole. Don't let them change who you used to be, who you used to be. Come on back to me. I'm riding these back roads with fire in my chest. Muddy boots on the pedal, I ain't stopping to rest. Morning rays where the pavement ends. These dirt paths call me, they made me who I am. Thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins. Can't nobody break these chains, break these chains. I was built for this life, built for this fight. Thunder in my veins, burning bright. Thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins. Can't slow me down, can't hold me back. Thunder in my veins, on this dirt track. Thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins. Tailgate nights and the bonfire smoke. Brotherhood tight, that it ain't no joke. Stars above and the ground below. This is the only life I'll ever know. Thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins. Wild and free, breaking all the chains. Red dirt roads and my pickup truck. Thunder in my veins, born from grit and luck. Thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins. Can't slow me down, can't hold me back. Thunder in my veins, on this dirt track. I feel it pumping, pumping through my soul. This back road power that I can't control. They're in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, driving me insane. Cold beer sipping while the engine roars. Freedom calling from these country shores. Flag waving high in the southern breeze. Thunder in my veins, bringing me to my knees. Never backing down from who I am. Thunder in my veins makes me feel like a man. Small town pride with a rebel heart. Thunder in my veins, been there from the start. Thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins, thunder in my veins. Can't slow me down, can't hold me back. Thunder in my veins, on this dirt track. Thunder in my veins, 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 thunder in my veins. thunder in my veins. Rolling through these back roads, windows down low. Got that engine humming, feeling that flow. Yeah, I've been grinding hard for what I got. People always talking about what I'm not, but I know my worth, I know my way. Oh yeah, this is my time to shine. Been waiting too damn long now, everything's mine. Raised on dirt roads and American pride. This is my time, can't slow my ride. My time, hell yeah, this is my time. This is my time. Tailgate parties underneath the stars. Cold beer flowing, picking these guitars. Brotherhood runs deeper than the creek. We don't back down when the world gets weak. Got mud on my boots and fire in my soul. Small town raised, but I'm ready to roll. Fuck what they say about country boys. We make our own rules, we make our own noise. This is my time to shine. Been waiting too damn long now, everything's mine. Raised on dirt roads and American pride. This is my time, can't slow my ride. My time, hell yeah, it's my time. This is my time. Listen up, I'm about to tell you how it is. Been working every day since I was just a kid. Daddy taught me right, mama taught me strong. Never take a shortcut when the road gets long. I got callous hands and a rebel heart. Been grinding from the bottom, now playing my part. See them flags flying high above my truck. American dream, baby, I don't need no luck. Brotherhood type, we ride or we die. Country boys with big hearts, reaching for the sky. Bonfire nights when the world feels right. Freedom in my veins, I'm ready to fight for everything I've earned, everything I built. No shame in my game, no reason for guilt. This dirt road life made me who I am. Standing tall and proud, yeah, I give a damn. Been counted out, been pushed around, but I'm still here, still holding ground. From these small town streets to the bigger stage, this country boy ain't afraid to change. Yeah, this is my time to shine. Been waiting too damn long now, everything's mine. Raised on dirt roads and American pride. This is my time, can't slow my ride. My time, hell yeah, it's my time. This is my time. Rolling through these back roads. This is my time. Hell yeah, it's my time. You roll up in that lifted Chevy, engine rumble loud. Dust cloud kicking behind you, head held high and proud. Radio blasting that old school mix, country meets the street. Got your brothers riding shotgun, brotherhood complete. We're back, road thunder, rolling through the night. American steel and southern might. Cold beer chilling, flags flying high. Small town kings under open sky. Black road thunder, thunder, backing down. Loudest engines in this sleepy town. Mud on our boots, fire in our souls. Country rap rebels, we're in control. Friday night bonfire burning bright, circle of your crew. Tailgate parties, mason jars, doing what you do. Dirt road racing, pedal down, freedom in your veins. Blue collar hand chilling, flags flying high. Small town kings under open sky. Back road thunder, never backing down. Loudest engines in this sleepy town. Mud on our boots, fire in our souls. Country rap rebels, we're in control. Turn it up, turn it loud. Show this town what we're about. Rebel yell, rebel sound. Back row boys, hold it down. From sunrise to the stars above, this is the life that we love. Grit and grind, we stand as one till our back road days are done. We're back road thunder, rolling through the night. American steel and southern might. Cold beer, chilling, flags flying high. Small town kings under open sky. Back road thunder, never backing down. Loudest engines in this sleepy town. But on our boots, fire in our souls. Country rap rebels, we're in control. Back road thunder, that's who we are. Back road thunder, raising the bar. Oh. Raised on red dirt roads and rebel pride. Yeah, blue collar blood pumping through my veins inside. Born and bred with a brave, don't bend or break. Muddy boots stomp and make the whole ground shake. Freedom ain't free, but it flows through my soul. From the farm to the fields where the flag flies bold. Was born with that outlaw attitude. American dream in my DNA, dude. La 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 la, oh, 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 oh. We're back roads boys with that backwoods pride. Back roads boys, never gonna hide. Back roads boys with our trucks up high. Back roads boys till the day we die. Back roads boys. Back roads boys. That backwoods pride, backroads boys. Hey. Brotherhood bonded by the bonfire light. Cold beer cracking on a Saturday night. Jacked up Chevy climbing through the clay. Tailgate parties till the break of day. Small town struggles, but we stand our ground. Diesel engines making that thunder sound. Stars and stripes waving in the summer breeze. Country rap king bringing y'all to your knees. Boots caked thick with the southern soil. Blood, sweat, tears, that's how we toil. La 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 la. We're back roads boys with a backwoods pride. Back roads boys, never gonna hide. Back roads boys with their trucks up high. Back roads boys till the day we die. Back roads boys. Back roads boys. Back roads boys with the backwoods pride. Back roads boys. Caminos de tierra, corazón rebelde. Orgullo sureño que nunca se pierde. Hermandad fuerte como el acero. Somos back roads boys, somos guerreros. From the holler to the highway, from the creek bed to freeway. Back roads boys, we pave our own way. Fire in our hearts, mud on our face. Never backing down from any fight. Back roads boys burning bright tonight. Voila. We're back roads boys with that backwoods pride. Back roads boys, never gonna hide. Back roads boys with our trucks up high. Back roads boys till the day we die. Back roads boys. Back roads boys. been gone too long from these dirt roads where we used to tear it up in your old Chevrolet. Remember burning rubber windows down, radio loud, before you packed up, headed for that city pay. Now you're trading suits instead of trading pain. On Friday nights beneath these stars we used to chase, your mama asks about you every Sunday morning, says you ain't called home since you left this place. But I still got your back, no matter where you roam. These muddy boots still walking where we used to call home. Come back to the back roads, brother, where the beer stays cold and the bombs run deep. To the back roads, brother, where your real family's waiting for you to believe. Flags still flying high over the holler. Brotherhood's worth more than any dollar. Come back to the back roads, brother. This is where you belong, this is where you belong. Heard you got yourself a corner office view, but can you see the bonfire smoke from way up there? We still get around when the work week's through. Still got your spot saved in that old lawn chair. Corporate ladder climbing, but you're losing ground with every step you take away from who you are. These dirt roads raise us, boy, don't let them down. You came by the brotherhood beneath these stars, but I still got your back, no matter where you roam. These muddy boots still walking where we used to call home. Come back to the back roads, brother, where the beer stays cold and the bonds run deep. To the back roads, brother, where your real family's waiting for you to believe. Flags still flying high over the holler. Brotherhood's worth more than any dollar. Come back to the back roads, brother. This is where you belong, this is where you belong. Jacked up trucks and tailback home. Jacked up trucks and tailgate night. Freedom burning like headlights. We ain't backing down, we ain't backing down. Come back to the back roads, brother, where the beer stays cold and the bombs run deep. Come the back roads, brother, where your real family's waiting for you to believe. American dreams don't mean nothing if you forget where you came from, brother. Come back to the back roads, brother. This is where you belong, this is where you belong. These dirt roads still calling your name, brother, nothing here's gonna change.